Welcome to number 1253 Kilmore Street in inner city Christchurch. Hi, I'm Bronwyn Williams from Harper Real Estate. Well, if you've been looking for an affordable lock-up and leave style apartment, just 5 minutes walk to the inner city and the new stadium, you have come to the right place. Plus, you can leave your car at home right here because there is a garage. How good? Come and take a walk through with me. A smart inner city investment or your first step onto the property ladder, this modern townhouse at the front of the block delivers it all. In a location that keeps life close, easy and exciting. Step inside to a sunny open-plan living space that feels instantly welcoming. The upgraded kitchen features stylish new cupboard fronts, a refreshed bench top, a full-height pantry and a breakfast bar. The layout flows naturally to the dining and living area, making everyday living simple and stress-free. Throw open the ranch sliders to a north-facing courtyard, flood-ended all-day sun. Established and secure, it's the perfect low-maintenance outdoor zone for unwinding, entertaining or giving pets a safe place to enjoy. Upstairs, 2 generous double bedrooms sit either side of a well-designed bathroom and separate toilet, a layout that works beautifully for flatmates, guests, tenants or a young family. Light, balanced and surprisingly spacious. And the attached garage adds real value. Secure parking and storage right in the city where every space counts. Set just a few blocks from the new stadium and moments from the CBD, this is city living without compromise. And built from durable tilt slab concrete, the construction offers real long-term confidence for homeowners and investors alike. This one deserves your attention.